drinking from this fountain.
No, I know. How come it's eating out?
It's been screwed up and hasn't worked for a while, so we're going to take the pieces and put them in Centennial to make that one work.
Oh, there you go.
So we'll make a good one out of one bad one. This one, yeah, it hasn't worked for a long time.
Yeah.
We're extending the fence. They're coming tomorrow, and they're going to put the fence from here.
Yeah.
To here, we're making the playground bigger for the kids.
Yeah.
Toddler playground.
That's right.
Yeah.
Sounds good, man.
All good.
There should be an easier way.
Yeah, jackhammer. They've invented tools to do this.
Yeah, I know.
Unfortunately,
Yeah, that motor won't break down.
unfortunately, I'm the jackhammer today.
That's right. It's called manual. Manual labor.
Good exercise, that's right.
Oh, yeah.
See you later. Have a good one. Exactly, that's what it's like, isn't it? I get paid for it anyway. It's all good. See you later. Oh, fuck. That's how to take apart a water fountain. Take it apart, smash it apart. We'll make a good one out of this bad one. There's one in Centennial that needs to be fixed, so I'm doing all the grunt work today. Got the pad out of there, now the water fountain. This goes. Hot day out here, September 3rd. Was it September 3rd? Might be September 4th. Anyway, the kids are back in school today. It's a warm day in paradise. So it's Spring Island.